Hey car fans, I'm Mike Berger with another CarSoup.com quick tip. So you've decided to change the oil in your car. Good for you. It's one of the easiest things you can do to maintain the engine in your car. But do you know which filter wrench you should be using to remove that oil filter from your engine? There are quite a few out there to pick from. There are many things to consider when you're purchasing an oil filter wrench. The first is the filter size itself. Make sure the wrench is large enough or small enough to accommodate the filter that you're going to be swapping out. Look for quality of construction. A cheap oil filter wrench is going to perform, well, cheaply. One that's made with quality components, that one's going to give you the best performance overall. And while it may cost more up front, you're going to get more satisfaction out of using the tool. How about ease of use? Is it easy to adjust the wrench to fit the filter, or do you have to fiddle with it a lot? Is it easy to slip it around, or is it going to be difficult to get into tight spaces? Think about universal fit. Not all wrenches work on all filters. There are wrenches that are specifically built for certain sizes of filters. There are many types of oil filter wrenches on the market. One of the oldest simply slips over the filter and tightens as you pull on the handle. Now, I've had that particular wrench for, close to 40 years now. It belonged to my father before me, and it's a great all-purpose wrench. But what I don't like about it is that one, it can slip on the filter pretty easily, and two, you have to have a lot of room to be able to tighten up that handle. A variation of that first type uses a ratchet and an extension. It also slips over the filter, and then by pulling on the ratchet handle, you tighten the strap up around the filter. Now again, this type, like the first one, can slip on the body of the filter. But what's great about it is you can put on different lengths of extensions, so it's great if you have to fit into tight spaces. There are wrenches that are made for specific sizes of oil filters, and what they do is slip right over the top of the filter. Now this one is not for this size of filter, this is just a little bit too big, but the principle's the same. It would slip down over the top, then you would attach your ratchet and undo the filter. My favorite oil filter wrench is one that's made by Facom Tools. Now Facom is a European brand, and for a long time they supplied all the tools to Ferrari's Formula One racing team. Now similar to those earlier wrenches, this one slips over the filter, but here's where it gets fun. By dialing the knob on the back of the wrench, you snug the band up to the filter, then you're able to wrench that filter right off of the engine. There's virtually no chance of that wrench slipping around the body of the filter. Now beyond these 4 filter wrenches that we've gone through today, there are many others that are available. Some with claws that grab hold of the filter, other with teeth that wrap around. These are just the ones you are most likely to find at your local auto parts store. So go get the one that's going to work best for your car and your situation, and then get that oil changed. I'm Mike Berger with CarSoup.com, and we'll see you down the road.